maybe a little bit more.
Honey, tell them what you're doing.
Heating up some oil in a frying pan. I have a mixture of potatoes and onions. It's for 4 people. I have 6 eggs that I mixed with a little bit milk and some salt. Just watch me here. This is going to be awesome. Ooh, I don't know if I'll be able to flip it after, but I'm sure going to try.
What are you making, honey?
I'm making a Spanish omelette. Just give it a few minutes, shut it off, and then
Okay,
we'll wait till it's a little hotter.
Yes. Yeah, flip it on the ceiling.
There we go.
Okay.
Ready? See? And now all we have to do is put this omelet to the frying pan. Look at this.
Rice, a little small rice, not like the big kernels. I'm adding milk to it because what I'm going to make is sort of like a rice pudding. Then I have a celery stick, and a half a cup of sugar. And I think we should be good to go. Take a little bit of a rind of a lemon and just grind it in here. Suck it up, baby. You're mine tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly. who do you spend?
Now this is my favorite rice pudding. I can't wait to taste some. Maybe I should get a spoon and just cheat. Ha! Here we go. Let me see.
Good, huh?
That's delicious.
All right.